Guys, the rainy season for car users brings with not only the start of number of maintenance problems but as well as a lot of operational problems also. Now you will think, why have I focused my camera on this lever which operates the windows? Yes, you are thinking right. Today we are going to talk about the jamming problem of windows during rainy season. You can see this as I have Maruti-800, so I'll talk with respect to this car only. It might be possible that you own Wagoner, Alto or any other old car which has a manual system of opening windows. In such cars, usually the windows glass tighten up so much that it might not even open up. Like you can see here, I have to apply much more pressure than normal, whereas in other cars such problem might not arise. You might ask why. Maybe because those cars are updated and new. You can see that due to the pressure I am applying for opening up the window, the sleeve which is attached to it also gets pulled out. So problem is operational in nature. So guys, welcome to one more video of DIY Master, and this is your voiceover artist Yukta. In today's video, we'll see a permanent solution to fix this problem. So guys, this trick I have come to know from a mechanic. Whenever I used to face this problem and call a mechanic to resolve it, he will take about 1 to half an hour, and then surprisingly the windows will function so smoothly and if there wasn't any fault. And they will also advise to just drive your car regularly, automatically jamming problem will get fixed. So a thought used to come in my mind that what did they do in that particular time period that window become this free in it. And the space you can see here became so smooth. So this space is basically a die the glass window slid in it. Now as sliding is happening, so if we use a lubricant, maybe the friction will become less. So guys, I took some time to learn and then came to know that mechanic have a oil can. They or anyone don't generally use new oil. So today we'll see how to do oiling properly, and after that your window will function properly. So let's start. Okay, so first thing you have to bring is this glass down to its lowest possible position, like this as I am doing. And after that, this thing which has been pulled should be placed in its original position. Once the windows function properly, this displacement problem also vanishes. So anyways, all this is back in place and set. Now I am going to narrate some important things. You don't have to do much. Just like how water gushes down a dam often it's released. So like water, any liquid has property to move towards the earth due to gravity. So when we apply this oil, it will go down too. So we have to apply the oil in such a way that it will go down but also get adhered to the glass. It's not like there is some measurement on how much oil to be used. It depends on you how much to use it. Just once or twice in between you can pull up the glass to check, so you will get to know once movement is okay or not. So as you can see here, just after putting the oil, we can feel some changes. Okay, so again we'll pull this up and we can apply some oil here and here as well. The best way to apply oil is to start from upwards and then slowly apply it down. Because anyways the oil which we are applying on top, majority of it will flow down. So not much has to be concentrated downwards. Okay, so now I am applying it. Once it gets finishes, I'll show you the changes. When you're applying the oil, just apply it in between two. And while applying, take the oil bottle to higher position. It will come gushing down like a thick flow and spread out evenly. One thing you have to bear in mind that while applying it between, pull your windows up and down 2 to 3 times so that the oil occupies every area and spread out nicely. So now as you can see here that there is a little bit increase in smoothness. So we have to do 1 or 2 times more. So guys, once you are done with front door, same way you have to do it with rear door as well. You can see here that the windows which was so jammed earlier now started functioning smoothly and are easily operated. So we have done just one thing, applied the oil in manner from up downwards. Even if you put it axis, it won't create any harm as there is draining system given so the oil can be drained out. So we have completed this window too and now we'll complete this window too. So as you can see that when I am pulling the lever till one point it works just okay, but after then it tightens up. So this thing in your car might give a trouble during rainy season. So guys, I hope you have liked this video regarding operation of windows and hope you have learned a new thing today. This new thing will come to you easily and you need not unnecessarily shell out money to get it fixed. You can do it on your own at home without any expert. So guys, let's meet in our next video. Till then, keep watching our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.